Hello everybody, Suman Pachigulla here, and today we are going to understand about how you score your LinkedIn profile, right? And your resume. So it is very important if you are looking for a job or you want to build your online presence, and if you want to have a strong profile over internet. So this is very much important to understand what are the things you should do and you should not do, and which are the things that you should be focusing on. Okay, and that's what we are going to understand, and how you would do that if you have prepared your LinkedIn profile. Okay, for example, let me show mine. Okay, so this is my LinkedIn profile that you can access through my first name and last name, Suman Pachigulla, and here is what, right? So here is the LinkedIn profile where it has the photo, the banner, and everything it is. Now if I have prepared everything, how is it correct or not? Is it how exactly it stays in order, in compare with the market standards? All right, to understand that, what I would do is I would get to this. Okay, this is a resume worded, and here it is. Okay, resume worded, and I have used resumeworded.com. You could use that. So before you go on, let's understand this one. Okay, so this is asking for upload your resume. If I want to score my resume, okay, let me do it from the beginning, and so that you will understand. All right, yes, this is what it logged in. Now it asked me to log in. All right, I logged in with my Gmail account. Then this page came in, and here I want to score my LinkedIn profile. So what I should be doing is go to your dashboard. Okay, after you click this one, so it is taking a little bit of time to refresh. So it is important that we should know where exactly it is happening and what is that the resume it is all about, and the profile is all about. Okay, now here so it is showing LinkedIn profile score, because I was just checked it and I just thought of sharing that with you. It's a 77 and my resume was scoring 26. So I'll show you once again how exactly it happens. Okay, so here I'll go to upload your public LinkedIn profile in PDF. So what did I do? I have already previously downloaded my profile. It's a LinkedIn profile, and I have uploaded it. And now how you should be doing it, if you don't know how to download your profile, this is how you could do it. Okay, first you go to your profile, LinkedIn profile, you open it, then you go to the more section, and from here you save to PDF, and it will be saved. Okay, this will be saved here. I'm sure you see this. So this is what it is, the LinkedIn profile is all about. So here, this is a similar profile which I have downloaded in the past, and I have uploaded it, and it's taking a little bit of time to load my profile. So each thing it happens, it shows the progress. All right, it is loading my profile, and then it is going to parse my profile. It is going to check. So many different things happens in the back end before it gives you a score. And now I have no idea how this score is been matching, or with which standards it is matching, but it gives you information. Okay, so here if you see, there is overall 77 my score out of 100. Now they are saying aim has to be 90 plus. Okay, so here if you see the left hand side, the score is 77. All right, and if we want to fix anything else or whatever, if you want to be the keywords, anything, see, it's my headline is 10 out of 10, meaning everything is perfect. Your headline passes the check in the first look. Perfect, headline is good. Now the summary part is 8 out of 10. Okay, that can be improved. So what is that about? This length, minimum use of special character, and for buzzword, spelling, call to action, we got to pay for that. Okay, now overview I have 8. Okay, then core checks, right? These are the things what all tick. I have both has been mentioned here. Now I go to experience. My experience is 6 out of 10. The way I have mentioned there, it's 6 out of 10, and it needs review and it needs some updates. Okay, then I go to education. Education is good, I have used properly. Other, so here you have a custom LinkedIn profile. Yes, I have a custom LinkedIn profile. I have honors and awards, I got it. Okay, location, I have added my location. I have not mentioned any certification. I have a professional photo, and I have a found skills as well. Okay, that thing has been done. Now if you have not done anything else, then you should be updating this. That's what all about. Now keyword to add, any keyword that is related, which which elevates our profile to the next level. So this suggests about the keywords. It's the general keywords it has suggested. Now for any different keywords, we have to pay for this. Okay, now keyword analysis, so everything is checked. Anything beyond, I have to upgrade it. Networking, it is asking anything related networking. If I want to learn, I have to upgrade it. All right, now this is what about the LinkedIn scoring part. Now I want to go to score my profile, right? Resume. So this is what I have done it right in the past. So again, I'm going to do it for you. So it is scoring 26 out of 10. So you will know how exactly it is 26. So you have to add your this is LinkedIn profile. Oops, this is not what I supposed to be adding. Okay, come on, stop. Crazy. Oh man, it should stop, right? I don't want man, this is how, right? This is the annoying thing. This thing once started, oops, I closed it. Okay, I closed it and I'm reopening it because it was not listening to me. Okay, all right, so sometimes this happens, right? This annoys. ठीक है, अभी फिर से ट्राई करते हैं. ठीक है, go to dashboard and tailor your resume. No, I don't want to tailor my resume. I'm going to score my resume for you people. So let's see how it goes here once again, and here I'm going to drop my resume. Okay, so before that it is going to ask you, okay, what is that? It's going to ask, see, is that entry level, mid level, senior level? It is going to ask how best you describe of yourself. Okay, I have chosen senior level, and from here I'll go here and I go to Suman Pachigulla, head offshore. Okay, I want to open this resume and I want it to score the 26%, whatever it is saying, right? So that's what we are going to understand. Now it has just wait and it's loading resume, it's parsing resume, score section. So this is what it is going to check in the profile, and it is going to give a score according to its own analysis or market standards, how they have prepared it. And we are going to understand what is the next level, or where we want to improve, or what is the editing required, or any tailoring, or we may need any professional work or anything that sort, right? Advice sort of thing on a resume. Now if you're looking for a job, I would suggest you definitely you do the scoring part, so that you understand that how exactly it happens to the market standards and how recruiters might be looking at your resume. Might be it is focusing on recruiters' behavior, their psychology, or it's about the ATS, how the keywords will be working. It's all about, okay? So here is what it is. So 26 overall, okay? Do you see this? It's a 26 overall. Now this is what my profile is all about. Now again, let's talk about impact. Now here, quantifying impact, good use of metrics and numbers. So I have used metrics and numbers about my personal achievements and numbers and everything here. Okay, this is what we're talking about. Then repetition, I have these words repeated these many times. Okay, managed, help, screening, so and so. Okay, now weak verbs, these things are like paid again. I have to pay for that to understand. Okay, brevity. Okay, resume length. Let's length. It's 2200 words, so they wanted to be somewhere here. Okay, so that's the reason I stand 5. My resume stand 5. Okay, bullet points. So I have used, you used bullet points. Okay, your, what is that, your use of bullet points is good, perfect. So I have 8 out of 10. I properly used my bulletings. Total bullet points, so it's a 10 out of 5 or 10 out of 5. So I used more than 100 bullet points. They wanted us to stay somewhere here and there. Okay, but there are so many things to mention, right? So how could we not mention bullet points? So I don't know what is the strategy here. Here's style. So there is no buzzword, no dates, personal pronouns, nothing. I did not understand what is this all about. Now you should be working on this, and again it is for pro only, right? So it's on a paid one. Contact and personal details, yes, out of 10. So I have given my contact information, all good. Personal pronouns, so this is, I have to pay once again. Okay, let's go where there is nothing to pay. Okay, section, experience section, I have mentioned. Fix your education section, so it is asking me to update on the education part. Experience is first. Okay, that is working. Fix your summary section, skill section, no unnecessary section. I have not mentioned any unnecessary sections here, which was not relevant. All right. Soft skills, what was that? Soft skills, again it is asking, it is logged, right? It is asking for money. Hard skills. Okay, so find out if your resume has the right skill and keyword. So here, anything that recruiter may look for, right? Market share, data warehousing, that's a bullhorn, aviation, it's maybe like industry domains. That's what we should be mentioning. So once after you work on this, you can re-upload resumes once after you work on it. Okay, so that is what here for today, people, and I hope you liked it. So this is resume worded. Okay, and here is what, once again, so resumeworded.com. you're gonna type it and see how exactly your LinkedIn profile is scoring and your resume is scoring. All right, so till the time, thank you so very much for watching. This is Suman Pachigulla. I'm on a mission to impact 5 million lives through recruiters. So take care and God bless you. All right, bye bye.